Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost someone else's story into our story on Instagram. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open the Instagram application, and to check either someone text you or mention you on their story is just by go into your home section and take a look on this top part here, and there will be two options, and then one is notification and the other one is for DM or direct message button. And then you just need to go click this part. Whenever someone mention you on the story, they will be pop up right here, and then you just need to click it to open it. And now here is the story that where you are mentioned in or tagged in. You just need to go click it to open it and go click add to your story if you want to add the story into yours. And after that, you can also adjusting the size by click the story if you want to make them fulfilling all of the screen on your story, or you can also do the otherwise to make your friend's ID also popped up on your story. So after you finish adjusting it, go click add to your story, and the story is already reposted. So that is the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story into our own. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.